Darcei.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out some products from the new 3CE spring collection. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I bought the entire spring collection except for the nail polishes because I do not do my own nails, obviously, but I got everything else, so I'm gonna be trying that all out today and I am super excited. As you can tell, this girl is hype. I got my 3CE mirror and I'm ready to go. So I got all of these products off of the official Style Nanda international website. So I actually got it during a time when they had free shipping, so I didn't have to pay that $20 shipping fee, girl, because damn, whoa, that's a lot of money. The blushes are $18 each, the lipsticks are $19 each, and the palette is $40. So when you add all of that together, plus I'm Canadian, so you convert it to Canadian dollars, plus I'm Canadian, so I have to pay duty fees. It all came to about 400 Canadian dollars. So was it worth it? We're about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. So the theme for this whole spring collection is very peachy, pinky kind of colors. Those kinds of colors aren't known to be particularly flattering on darker skin tones, but we're gonna see if we can pull them off today. All right, so I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Hey there, hey.
Let's play a little game.
Excuse me, I forgot to shave my mustache, so just ignore that for today. Thanks guys, you're the best. I have all my base makeup on already because we're just going to be trying out color products today. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is the eyeshadow palette. So 3CE palettes always look like this. They come in like this little pan with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shades. This particular palette is called #Beach Muse. For reference, this is the other palette that I own from 3CE. This is the Overtake palette that everybody loves. This is like their most popular palette, and then this is the new one that I have here, Beach Muse. So as you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3 matte shades, and then the rest, the other 6, are shimmers. And I'm going to do some swatches of these so that you guys can see what they all look like, because obviously I can't use them all in this one video. So okay, so I think I'm going to take this color up here, which is like a peachy pink, and I'm going to apply it with a fluffy brush. These palettes always have a lot of fallout, but it's cool because now I look like Harry Potter. In general, the 3CE eyeshadows are a bit more sheer, like they're not going to be super pigmented like I always compare it to like ABH, to like an Anastasia palette. It's not going to be that kind of pigment. I don't really particularly want a bright pink on my eye right now, so I feel like the sheerness of it is working in my favor. I'm just gonna sweep a little bit underneath my eye too, like I always do. Springtime is coming, even though it literally snowed yesterday. The shadows are really blendable as usual. It's just the same quality as the other palettes, but I really like the colors in this one, especially for springtime. And I feel like these colors are definitely worth getting if you want that really nice fresh spring kind of look. I feel like when I was looking at the other palettes from 3CE, like this kind of really pink, bright, springy palette was missing from their collection. So I really feel like they did a good job with this one. So now that it looks like we have pink eye, it's time to add a shimmer. I'm gonna use this pink shade right here. I always apply shimmers with my finger. It's easier, you get more pigment. I like it. I'm trying to use colors that people with dark skin normally wouldn't gravitate towards, just so you guys can see what it actually looks like. I have eyeshadow like on my nose. Why is this my life? Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Whoa, she is pink. Whoa. Oh, okay. We're just gonna blend that out a little bit. Wow. She is, ooh, she's gorgeous though. We ain't gonna lie, she pretty. I'm gonna put more on. Oh my god, this feels like an eyeshadow Barbie would wear. Come on Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Then I'm going to take a flat angled brush like this, and I'm going to go into this color right here. Wow, I just noticed that I just went down this column and this is all I used. I just used these three. But I'm going to take this and kind of use it as kind of like an eyeliner, just to define my eyes, because when you use so much pink, your eyes kind of disappear and you want to bring more definition in there. So we're just gonna, oh girl, that is not blended. Oh my lord. I'm not exactly known as the blending queen though, okay? Don't come for me. The less blending I have to do with an eyeshadow, the better, okay? So that's another reason not to use eyeshadows that are too pigmented. Y'all got me out here blending for 8 years. Oh god. Oh, I got eyeshadow in my eye. As you guys can see, even though I've put on a fairly dark color, I mean it's the darkest color in the palette, even though I'm putting it on and not using a light hand at all, there's not a lot of pigment coming off. So you don't really run the risk of putting too much on and making your eye like too dark. So I feel like if you are a beginner in makeup, this would actually be really good for you. Then I'm just gonna take a small brush and put some shimmer in the inner corner. I don't know which one I should use. Should I use this one or this one? I don't know. I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so I feel like this palette can look a little bit intimidating, but the colors are actually really nice. It's not like an ashy kind of pink. There are like warm undertones going on here, so I would say that this is pretty good for dark skin tones, okay? That's just my opinion. If you're looking for a really easy to apply palette, this is definitely going to be a great one for the spring, summertime. Next, I bought the blushes. So the blushes come in 5 shades, and they're 5 shades of like, you know, those pinky, orangey, peachy kind of colors. Perfect for springtime. Now the blushes are what I'm worried about the most, guys, because oh my god, they look so light. I'm gonna start with the lightest color. So the lightest colors that we have are these two. This one is Peach Splash and this one is Pure Cake. In Korean brands, blushes are really hit or miss. You never really know. I feel like I'm too close. Am I too close? I don't want to be all up in your space, I'm sorry. So this is Pure Cake. This is what it looks like on the brush. Prepare yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Where is she? That doesn't really show up on my face at all. Okay, as I build it up more, there's something there, but that ain't it. There's blush on this side and no blush on this side, and they look pretty much the same to me. This one's a little bit more pink. Not worth the $18 American that I bought it for. I use a darker color. This one is Soft Salmon. Okay, that one is cute. She's cute. I like her. It's a really nice peachy blush. And then this color is the darkest one. It's called Full of Charm. I'm just gonna put it on the other side, kind of even it out. These two kind of look the same when I put them on, but this one's more pigmented. Well, it's not more pigmented, but it shows up more on my skin because it's darker. So I say if you're gonna pick up the blushes, pick up one of these two. The other ones are they're just too light for a darker skin tone, and they're going to be more ashy. I didn't try this one, but if you guys see the swatch that I'll insert here, it's super ashy. So the blushes are kind of a fail. I'm so sorry about that, but hopefully the lipsticks will make up for it. Okay, so last but not least, what you've all been waiting for, what I have been waiting for, to be honest, is the lipsticks, because y'all know I'm obsessed with lipsticks. And guess what? I have never tried these lipsticks before. And I'm not just talking about the colors. I'm talking about this specific type of lipstick that 3CE sells. I have never tried the Slim Velvet. Is that what they call it? Slim Velvet lipstick. That's what they call it, right? Yes, these Slim Velvet lipsticks. I've never tried these before. So, once again, in this new spring collection, there are 5 lipsticks, and here they all are, looking real peachy and pinky and springy, and oh my god, they're so cute. I love them already. But I've never tried this particular formula of lipstick, so I'm super excited. Style Nanda actually sells the entire, not including the spring collection, the entire Slim Velvet collection in like this big box that's like $100 and something, and every time I'm on the website, I'm like, I want it. Darcei, buy it. Darcei, buy it. But I never do. I always chicken out. One day I'm gonna buy it. One day the devil will get me. But not today. Okay, so the first color we're gonna try is called Peach Play. And this is the lightest color. Yes it is. This is the lightest color. So this is what she looks like, okay, honey? These kind of colors can be a little scary. I got my lips primed and ready. They covered in concealer. Prepare yourself for deep cleansing breaths. This is really creamy, which I like. Easy to apply. Color is nice. This is gonna be one of those lipsticks that I cannot put on my entire lip. So like put on a little and then blend out the edges. I already have a little bit too much on. Like if I take it all the way to the edges of my mouth, girl. You could also use a brown liner with this and it would look super cute. It's a cute color, but I feel like the formula of this one is patchy. I'm not sure if it's just this one or all of them because like I said, I've never tried this before, but if I zoom in, I'll zoom in for you guys right here. It's just not applying nicely in some areas. Like it's just patchy. I don't know if that's me or what, but it's not cute. But we are not here for the patchiness, honey. That's such a cute color though, but too bad she patchy. Oh well. Next color we have is called Gotta Sing. This one looks more pinky orange. Once again, really smooth, easy to apply. Oh, this one's really pretty. Oh wow. They are really smooth and easy to apply, but it is definitely a matte formula. This one is just screaming hot mamacita. This one is not patchy like the last one, so I think it is something in the formula of the lighter color that is giving me that patchiness. I find that happens a lot with lighter colors. So this again is Gotta Sing, yeah! This next color is another pinky lighter tone. This one is called Cotton Up. So that's what that looks like. I feel like I'm gonna like this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is another one I might not want to do a full-on lip for. Might want to just blend out the edges there. Formula-wise, very soft, very easy to apply. Makes your lips look really nice. This is supposed to be that like My Lips but better color. On a darker skin tone it can be a little bright though. Obviously apply less if you want it to be less intense. I like this one. Really pretty. I really like how it goes with this look, with the blush and the eyeshadows. I like this. This is like something that I would do for every day. Once again, this is the color Cotton Up. This next color is called Muse Filter. Another pink, but it's pretty bright, so ooh, I don't know. I don't know, girl. We'll see. Okay, I eat my words. I was wrong. She's beautiful. Oh my god. What? Who is she? Ah! Hello. This is more bold than the last one. Last one was like everyday kind of pink, and this one's like, hello, honey. Pay attention to me. There's a subtle difference between the two. They almost look the same, but this one's more bold. I like her. I like her. She knows what she wants. She's a fierce, independent lipstick. Once again, this color is called Muse Filter. And then the last color from this collection is this one called Hold On. And she seems to be a bright kind of fuchsia pink. So, oh, looks are deceiving. I was thinking that this is going to be like a fuchsia. A lot more muted. Huh. Okay, this color was really deceiving. It's more cool toned, but it's still really cute. Yeah, that was definitely not the color that I thought was gonna come out of this tube. That was so weird. Once again, this is the color Hold On. So Cotton Up is definitely my favorite lipstick color. I'm just gonna take this off and put Cotton Up on. When I take this off, you guys can see like how pigmented my real lips are, which is why I always put concealer on when I'm using these lighter colors. So all in all, I think this is a really great collection. I really enjoyed the eyeshadow palette. I think it's really pretty. I like the colors. I love the shimmers. They come off nice on dark skin tones as well. I really love the lipsticks. I cannot rave more about 3C lipsticks. I just love them. I wear a 3C lipstick every day. Like, I'm not exaggerating. Every single day. So y'all know I love their lipsticks. These, no exception. Great color selection, great formula. Most of them, except for that lighter one, that was kind of iffy. But everything else, excellent quality. I love everything about them. The only thing I feel like I really wasted my money on was the blushes. They were just too light, didn't even show up on my skin, most of them. And the ones that did, I mean, like this one, for example, Full of Charm, I will still be using this one. But I mean, I already own the multi-pots. Like, this is Cabbage Rose, which I wear like every day. And I feel like if you already own the multi-pots, there's really no point in buying just the regular blushes. And if you're thinking about buying the regular blushes, just buy the multi-pots, because you can use the multi-pots on your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes. So it's just like, it's a better value, and they're a lot more pigmented, so they're going to show up on a darker skin tone. Let me just show you right now. This is what the multi-pots look like. Like, that's full on pigment. And this is the darkest shade of the blush that I got. So there's just no comparison. I'm constantly wearing the multi-pots. So if you want to get a blush from 3CE, buy the multi-pots, because you can use them in multiple ways, and they're way better for darker skin tones than just the regular blushes. As far as the quality of the blushes, they're totally fine. I could give them away to some of my light-skinned friends. They could make use of them, but they just not for me, and that's cool. Everything else, if you got dark skin, definitely go cop the eyeshadow and the lipsticks. Girl, get it. Yep. Try to get it with the free shipping though. They do free shipping every so often. Sign up for their emails, keep a lookout. I might also post it on my Instagram whenever they have free shipping, just to hook you guys up, you know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other brands you guys want me to spend a ridiculous amount of money on to review. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I love ya so much. Bye!